So in order to create the eyeball, you want to use a white builder, or you can use white acrylic. If you don't have that, use gel polish and mix it into your clear. You want to make sure that when you apply it raised to give it that eyeball effect. If you are using builder, make sure you cure it for a little bit longer since it is thicker. So for the pupil, we use Bossy Gel Black Liner from their new lining collection. Okay, so a little bit of an indecisive moment, but I had decided to change one of the eyeballs from a blue eyeball to a green eyeball, so this is just me doing that. Okay, so after you finish creating the eyeball, you want to start doing the Bloodshot Eye Effect. So in order to do that, we're using the Bossy Ombre Gel. This collection from Bossy is a little bit thinner and more transparent, so it's perfect for creating the Bloodshot Eye effects or any blood effects in general. Then you just want to go in and add some blood, dripping, like whatever you want to kind of give it just like a more spooky effect. Add some final details, clean it up, and then you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please let us know in the comments below what else you'd like to see from us, and have a happy Halloween.